People come to us and say, will I see my loved ones in Jannah? We normally say, inshallah, right? You know what's the true answer? Work hard, you'll see them there. Without that hard work, what do you expect? You're walking towards the other J, and he's in another J, subhanallah. You see? You say, will I see my this in Jannah and that person in Jannah? I've heard the weirdest one ever. Weirdest one ever. Guess what? Will I be with my girlfriend in Jannah? I promise you. I promise you. Are you serious? He said, yeah, because you know how people make it difficult. And sometimes parents and communities and societies make it very difficult for people to marry. You see, it's a topic on its own. It's a topic on its own, and it's not our topic this evening. But I want to let you know something. Please, bear Allah in mind. Without Allah, we cannot really achieve that true contentment, and we will not be able to fulfill the purpose that we're on earth for. By the time death comes to us, we're just going to regret what happened in the past. Well, if we do, before the gharara comes, we're still fortunate. Sometimes we die suddenly. And how did you die?